Folks, hey, this is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. So I'm giving away free cash out money right here. This is a free cash app hack. Somebody right now, many of you are going to get some money right now. Now listen, all you need to do is this: like the video, right? Tag 3 people below, share it, and just comment your cash app below. You don't have to do anything other than this, right? Based off these 3 things, if you do them right now, Wesley Virgin, I'm going to just bless random people around the world with free money, okay? Is that cool? Smash the like button, folks. Let me know. So what I'm going to do, even when the video ends, I'm going to post this on my wall. And today, till midnight, I'm going to give away $500 to random people. $20 here, $25, $50. So the more people that you have on here, the more money I will give away. And by the way, you can start right now. And I'm looking below. I'm looking at the people who tagged 3 people. And listen, the reason why I do this, if you don't know who I am, I'm Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. I truly believe that service leads to greatness, okay, period. That I have a ton of money. You know, I work. I've been blessed, but I work. And I've been very fortunate to become very wealthy. But I do believe that you need to give away money. Okay, that's one thing I want all of you to understand. Once you start making money, give it away, okay? It's nothing like making a contribution. And me, I love my followers. I love my subscribers online. I want you to be successful, but maybe I can bless you with a nice gift here. So first person, all right, that's going to win some money here, okay? I'm looking below, and all you need to do is just like the video, and I'm watching. If you tag 3 people below and share this, obviously, the more people that you share the video with, well, the more money you make. Okay, I think we have a winner. First person, Jody 3178. Hold on. Jody 3178. 3178. I guess that's, oh, it's not popping up, Jody. Make sure, listen, after you like it and tag 3 people and share it, make sure you give me your correct cash app. I can't cash app you if you don't give me the correct information, okay? So I'm looking below here. Who's next? Place your cash app below. We have Moby_star. Hold on. Moby_star. Let's see if that worked. That's not working there, folks. Listen, you have to make sure you give me your correct cash app, okay? Okay, we have another one. Glow Nation 3. Glow, okay. Glow Nation 3. Let's see here. I haven't did this in a while. Carlos, you just won, my man. Here's your cash app here. Going to confirm you. Going to hit the pay button here. And I want to do this live so you guys know that I'm actually sending the money out. Hold on, let me put my PIN code in there real quickly here. And as you can see here, we just blessed Carlos Delgado with money. Congratulate him. Go ahead. Congratulate Carlos. All he had to do was like it, tag 3 people, and share this to as many people. Okay, who else do we have here? Let's give away another $25 here. I'm looking below. Let me see. We have Matt FRM 207. Give me a second here. Matt FRM 207. Just a gift here, guys. Let me see who that is. See if this works here. Something's wrong. So like I said before, make sure your cash apps are working, because if your cash apps are not working, then I can't give out the money. And listen, if you get this up to 200 people here, and like I said, I'm going to do this all day as this video is posted. You can come back to this video and like it, tag 3 people, and share the video. That's all you have to do. That's it, right? Let me see here. I'm looking for cash apps and tags right now. Put your, okay, here we go. TW18. Give me a second here. Let's bless this young person here. TW18. Tierra. Much love. That's a real person. As you can see here, we're going to confirm this gorgeous, beautiful black woman here. Going to bless her with $25 here. And they'll be able to get you dinner tonight. You know, maybe you can put some gas in your car, right? Some money is better than no money. And I want to make a contribution to you folks here so you can make some money as well, okay? And like I said here, if you want some money, right, like it, tag 3 people below, and share it. And listen, if you're watching a replay, you can win as well. I'm going to be doing this all night. I'm going to be looking back here, and the people that just do these simple things, like it, tag 3 people, and share it to many people right now, you win. LMN 121. You just won $25. Okay. LMN 121. And who is that? Linda. Much love, Linda. You just won. Okay. Linda she's about to get paid here. Got to put in a little passcode here. And listen, if you're brand new, you just got here, if you want a free cash out, this is the hack. The hack is this. Like it, tag 3 people, and share. And for this entire day, I will be sending random money to you. And it may be you, right? Let me see here. It's just giving back, folks, you know. I'm just giving back. I truly believe that you should give away money every month. Every month you should be giving away money to just whoever you feel whoever you feel who deserves it, right? That's your discretion there. But you have to be blessing people. And I truly believe that service leads to greatness, which means the more people that you bless, then you'll be blessed as well. And it's when you give to other people, it makes you feel that you have more than enough. Does that make sense? When you give to other people, it makes you feel that you have more than enough, okay? So, come on. I need more cash apps below. I got more money here, okay? All you have to do is like it, tag 3 people, and share it. Anybody. If you're watching this video, listen, you can win. If you're watching this video, even at the replay, you can possibly win money right now, okay? Cash apps, come on. Cash apps, comment below. Like, tag 3 people, and share. And I think I'm going to do this every week, guys. If you want me to do this every week, smash the like button. I just want to bless all my beautiful subscribers around the world. You guys follow me, and I appreciate that, honestly. You know, because you don't have to follow me. You don't have to trust my information here, but you do. So this is just a token of my appreciation. This is a token of my love to you. And I get it. It's not $1 million. But hey, some money is better than no money, right? So here we go here. I'm looking for the cash apps below here. Hold on. Smooth K-Do. Smooth K-Do. You just won, man. There you go, my man. $25. And listen, if you want to send me a nice video and thank me, that's cool as well. You know, that you actually received the money. Just want to make sure you did actually get it. So if you want to send me a video and say, Wesley, thanks for the $25. I appreciate that, right? I just want to let people know this is real. This is not fake. This is my iPhone here, right? And I'm sending money and just giving it away here, okay? No catch. The only catch is this. Like it, smash the like button, tag 3 people, and share it to as many people possible, okay? And you're done. All right, we have, who do we have here? Day Toy W. Okay, hold on. Day Toy W. That's not a person. I'm sorry, folks. Listen, if you don't put the correct Cash App down, then you're not going to get the money here. Okay? Come on, folks. I still have at least 300. I think I got $400 more to spend here. Come on. Put your Cash Apps below. Let's go. Okay. I'm looking for the Cash Apps here. If you've already liked it, tag 3 people and shared this video, comment below which Cash App. If you've already done that, okay? I'm waiting on you. Well, what's your Cash App, Brittany? If you've done it, I don't see your Cash App, though. Rosebud's Touch. Okay. Let's bless this beautiful young lady here with some money here. Okay, here we go. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Rosebud's Touch here. There you go. Let's confirm. Let's put in the magic code here. Give me a second. Yeah, if you guys just arrived here, all you need to do is like this video right now. Even if you're watching a replay, I got your back, okay? Tag 3 people below and share this video to as many people humanly possible, okay? Even the people that are watching a replay can win, okay? If you're not with me here live. And you can just comment below that you're done. You can tag me below to let me know that you got it done, right? Like tag me below, say, Wesley, I got it done. Show me proof, and the money is yours. I'm waiting on some more Cash Apps here. You know, I'm waiting on you. Free Cash Apps, baby. Free Cash App hack by Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. This video is going to be on YouTube as well. So listen, if you're a YouTuber, you're watching this on YouTube, hey, just all you need to do is put your Cash App below, right? Like the video, sub to the channel, tag 3 people, and share it. And the more you share it, I'm just giving away. Listen, this is for my Instagram subscribers, YouTube subscribers as well, okay? Just want to give you a gift of love. All right, you're done, Brush Boy? All right, you got the money then. Brush Boy just won some money here. And listen, don't get upset if you didn't win yet. You know, that's what I'm trying to teach you folks. You guys are like kids. You're like, oh, I didn't get the money. He just didn't even see my name. Relax, okay? Relax. Be grateful. Be grateful that it's happening. You know, listen, one thing I want to teach you guys is when other people are winning in life, you need to learn how to be excited for those people, right? Like, congratulate people for winning. Don't be bitter. Don't complain. Don't get upset because Jonathan won the money, right? Be excited for him. Say, man, congrats, man. I'm proud of you. You got this. I'm next. Don't be bitter, right? Don't be like a kid and like, he ain't picking me. Why he ain't picked me yet? I mean, stop it. Okay, this is not the schoolyard here, right? All right, just let me know if you've already liked the video, tagged 3 people, and shared it. I have $380 more to give away. And like I said, if you're watching a replay, I'm going to take care of you as well. All you need to do is tag me in the video below, and the money is yours here, okay? Come on. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting on the Cash Apps here, okay? All right, what's your Cash App, Mr. Bakesar? Okay. You didn't spell share wrong. Sheer? Come on. Come on, King Carlos. Spell that word correctly for me, my man. I'm waiting on some more cash apps here. All right, there we go. Hold on. Zariek. Oh, my God. You guys, these names are insane. Give me a second here. All right. Miss Carter, there you go. $25, 25 lighters on my dresser. Yes, sir. I'm about to get paid by Mr. Virgin here, okay? Here we go. So, there you go. Another person who've been blessed with the money. And like I said before, after you like, tag 3 people, and share, and get your cash app. If you want to send me a nice video, it's cool. A thank you video and say, I appreciate that. I appreciate that as well. It's up to you. You don't have to do it, but just putting it out there. Rob Silas. You just want some money, my man. Rob Silas here. Okay. This is fun. I love doing this. People, they always want to know how I'm able to attract so much money and great things in life. Well, service leads to greatness, folks. The more you serve, it leads to greatness. It really does. Any other people want a cash app here? So listen, like it, tag 3 people, and share the video to as many people as humanly possible. On the replay, I'm going to give away $325 more. So if you're watching the replay, just keep doing it. And tag me below. Let me know that you did it. And if I verified that you liked it and tagged 3 people and shared it to many people, then it's yours. Hey, I love you guys. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go. Motivated, dedicated, leg out.